Unlock the power of HubSpot marketing automation directly on your WordPress site with this lightning-fast integration tutorial. First, let's find the official HubSpot WordPress plugin. Log in to your WordPress admin area, navigate to Plugins, and then click Add New in the search bar. Type HubSpot and hit Enter. You'll see the correct plugin immediately. Click Install Now. And once it's finished, click Activate. Now that the plugin is active, you'll be presented with a setup screen. Click the prominent button that says Connect your HubSpot account. This will take you to the HubSpot login page, where you'll need to sign in with your HubSpot credentials. If you have multiple HubSpot portals, you'll be prompted to choose the correct one to connect. Select the desired portal from the list. This step authorizes the plugin to communicate with your HubSpot account. Once connected, you'll land on the HubSpot plugin settings page within WordPress. Here, you can configure how data syncs between your site and HubSpot. You'll find options to automatically add new contacts to your HubSpot lists, enable chat functionality, and decide which forms to associate with your CRM. Take a moment to review these settings, especially the synchronization options for forms and contacts. This ensures that every lead captured through your WordPress forms automatically populates in your HubSpot CRM, ready for your marketing automation workflows. With these simple steps, your WordPress website is now seamlessly integrated with HubSpot, allowing you to capture leads, track engagement, and leverage powerful marketing automation without missing a beat.